Hope as well, having a good training week. It is Wednesday today, so we'll take a look at Euro. We've had a couple down days, accumulation there, so redistribution down here. If we draw across down here, some people have potentially seen this BISI here, and maybe thought, okay, it could bounce here, so sell side's taken here, it could potentially bounce, but there's nothing really around here that price would find more important. So if you look down here to this SIBI here, or BISI, these three down close candles here is the change in state delivery to go up. So these three down close candles is an order block here. And what does that line up with? That lines up with that BISI there. So when price was trading around here, I just was going to be patient and wait for price to come back down into here, which it did. Okay, so now we've had more, there's more reasons for price to want to turn now, instead of just that BISI here. So we've had this BISI here, sell side, and this order block here. Okay, so we've had order block, sell side, BISI, rejected. Okay, so you can still be more patient than this. But after this hourly candle here, we've seen equal lows here taken, hourly candle, sell side, BISI, order block. So we're potentially going to see a run. So if we're anticipating the run, then down close candles push up here at 4 AM. These two bullish candles here. What's this candle here? This is a bullish order block, this down close candle. So it ran, it's now changed to stay in delivery, it wants to deliver to the upside. Fill potential with the SIBI here, which has. Draw that across. Just going to delete this for now. Okay, so 5 minute bullish order block, going to the 1 minute time frame. Find your entry, any entry that you like, fair value gap here. The entry that I like is low, high, lower low, so run on sell side, run up higher, breaker, fair value gap, bullish order block. So fair value bullish order block here. Inside is a fair value gap and a bullish order block. Multiple reasons to get in there. Entry there. So entry, just say on the high of the breaker. Stop just below that low. Target, could target that SIBI here. Look on the 5. Yeah, I'll probably say that SIBI here, which also matches up once the hourly. You can also, so that after the hourly closes, you can then target that here for partial. So these would be your targets. And look at that. Taps in one more time, takes sell side here, taps into the bullish order block. So it allows you to get in one more time if you've missed it. Low, high, low, low, high, high. Break up. Look at the low, look at the bodies. Fair value gap here, fair value gap there, entry. Taps one more time to the breaker, bullish order block here. Taps into that to the T, and then sends it off back into the SIBI. So there's a couple of entries there for London session, so that was a nice entry here. So I'm going to see what happens with the New York session, and yeah, if I don't make another video, that's because price action would have been sloppy, but if I do, then stay tuned. But if not, be safe. Shout out to ICT, subscribe, like, but yeah, see you in the next one. Okay, so it's been like not too long. Draw liquidity, next one is going to be here, these highs. So it could be this wick here. You get the midpoint, that'd be the next draw. But then it'd be that high, then this high for buy side. Taking a look at the dollar. Look at the weekly opening gap of the April. 1st of April, which is crazy. So this is literally like three or 4 months ago, 3 months ago. Look how price is still rejecting it here. We've seen buy side been taken there, and then we've seen the rejection from the weekly opening gap. So another weekly opening gap here. We have that BISI, midpoint of this wick, sell side as well here. So that's where we could see the sell side here. We can see potentially, if we see like a retest, could start trading lower down here. so that's a euro even higher. But yeah, I'm still using Capital Com at the minute. So we go down to the 5, and then we draw from the low to the draw. Let's just say it's here for now. Then these is in a discount. These candles here. So this down close candle, order block. We've seen price trade above, back into the discount, taps into the order block, and is bounced off nicely. So if you want to try and find an entry, feel free. Order block here on the 1 minute time frame. Sell side taken here, but for me there's nothing for me. I want to see similar to that here. So low, high, low, low, high, high, fair value gap. There's nothing here, but look at that candle there, tap to the T of the order block and then sends it offline. So buy side here is taken, so that'd be partials if you got entry from there. But yeah, let's see if price wants to start running for these buy sides up here. So yeah, I'll keep you updated. Yo, so it's actually the next day, but I'm just going to go through what price actually did yesterday. So I did call buy side was going to get taken, or it could reach for this buy side here, and it did. And it even dug into this 4 hour SIBI here. So look at the midpoint here, and then you want to see the price close on the 4 hour. So as you can see, price closed, like rejected it. It didn't close above, so it showed that potentially it's quite weak. Hence why we had to pull back lower, back into this BISI here and this BISI here. Now we're back into trading with this bullish order block. So yeah, it was a nice call. But yeah, hope you enjoyed this video. Leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next one. Be safe.